What's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Today we got a whole bunch of stuff. Busy day. Gonna be working with my homeboy John. Gonna be working on the E36. Gonna be working on the E46. Gonna be messing with the E92. Got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Last week, Friday night, drank way too much alcohol. And was dying for like 2 days. So I got like nothing done. But that's besides the point. We're gonna get stuff done today. So, about to go pick up my homeboy John. We're gonna go to the junkyard, try to get a throttle cable for the E36. And then we're gonna go to his spot and work on one of the cars that he just got that he's fixing up. We always got BMW projects going on here on N54 and more. So stay tuned, carrying you guys with me. Let's get it.
Man, hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a ride.
Alright, so we went to the junkyard, got the throttle cable for the E36, got some trim pieces for the bumper. So now we're about to head back to his spot and work on this new project. They don't even know what it is yet.
New reveal, dog. New reveal.
New reveal. So let's get it. Alright, so we back to the house now. It's time for the reveal. You ready for it?
Baby.
Big reveal. Alright, do it. Let's see the project. New things rolling out.
That's a 2018 BMW X5.
This boy out here.
X5, baby.
X5.
This is something low-key for my dad. Nobody's supposed to know.
Alright.
Good thing he ain't subscribed to George's page.
Alright, so what we got to do on it?
So it's in like a little front end damage. It looks like it might have to have like some framework done because look at the gap right here. Right? This is the radiator support. This is the gap right here. And look at the gap on this side. That little fat gap.
Oh, yeah, that's
We're gonna
different.
have to pull it to the side a little bit, but right now we're gonna pull apart the front, pull off the front, and I already got like new radiator, everything like that coming in. So yeah,
So we got some work to do. So we're gonna start pulling this whole front end apart.
so we can send it to the frame shop.
Word. So let's do this now. After we get some pizza though. Alright, so as you saw us, we ripped this thing apart. Took the whole front end off and everything. Had the wrong radiator in there. Couple of the lines are cracked. The frame wasn't even like bolted up properly. So we'll have to do all that or whatever. But as you can see, there's some damage over here. Some more over there. It was hit on the passenger front side. So I'm gonna take it to the frame shop, let them straighten everything out or change whatever they need to, and then we'll be putting it back together. But I guess it is E36 time. Okay, so we finally made it back to my spot, to the casa. It's E36 time. So let me go ahead and get all the parts and stuff out so you guys can see exactly what we're gonna be doing now. Okay, so we got here, we're putting in the fan clutch, the driver side, window regulator and motor. I'll be fixing this little piece right down here that's broken off. And then I'll be putting it on so that it can cover the top. We'll get to the bumper in a little bit. And then also I'm going to be doing a video on how to change your radiator on an E36. But now, this retard, this idiot, this moron that had this car before, sliced off piece of the bumper, as you can see here. Sliced off piece of the bumper just to get, I guess, the fitment to fit right instead of doing it the proper way. So now it's missing this side piece. So basically I need to get a new bumper now. And I was trying to avoid that. But, you know,
That's life.
great. That's life. That's life. People don't know how to work on cars. If you don't know how to work on cars, just don't work on cars. But that's why I got DIYs, so you can learn how to work on cars. But let's go ahead and start some of this stuff. Okay, so it's been a week since I started everything with the E36 and everything. I went back to the junkyard and got some other stuff. Fixed some more electrical stuff with it. I ended up breaking the pedal, the gas pedal. So I ended up getting one of those. Got a couple more pieces. But as of right now, the water pump was leaking on the E46 on Nipsey. So I'm changing that now, and then I'll be able to get back to the E36. And also 2 of my rims on the E92 are also bent. So it's been a fun weekend. Okay, well this video has gone on for about 8 days now. Lots of trips to BMW, lots of trips to the junkyard or whatever. I had my homeboy Mike pick me up this hose, power steering return hose from Phoenix. So I'm gonna install this now, finish up the radiator, and that'll be it for this video because this is going on too long. So let me go ahead and knock that out and I'll be right back. We are done. Radiator is in. Gotta change the sensor. I'm gonna end up changing this housing too. I actually have power steering now, so that's good. I'm not boosting it yet, so we'll see. I got the windows fixed and everything. I'll do some headlights in a little bit, but yeah, that's about it. So my week or 8-day endeavor is finally finished. Got a bunch done. Car's coming together. We'll see what else is next. Obviously more coming soon. I know I haven't been doing a lot on the E92, but it's coming. It is coming. I'm telling you that now. Gonna have the low pressure fuel pump change, the map sensor change. I'll be taking it to Omar. I don't know if many people know VS Omar in Phoenix to get it tuned, and there'll be a video for that. So if you guys like this video, if you enjoyed watching it, drop a like, subscribe, comment, notifications, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video.